Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Today is an exciting day. We're about to go pick up Nick. We're about to go take Nick to go do something really exciting for Nick. And for me, honestly, I might be more excited than Nick is, to be honest. But let's see how this trip goes and see but you guys will see that soon. Just make sure you stick around to see the rest of this video. Oh boy. You ready for this?
Yes, sir. Let's take a ride.
Yeah.
Your destination is on the right.
Alright guys, so go ahead and tell you what we was doing. We was coming up here to Carvana to pick up me a new car, and was gonna surprise y'all with it because it's actually my new car. I ain't gonna tell you what it is. I will tell you it is a straight drive. Nick is rejoining the stick shift club, you know what I mean? But we gotta hit in the face a little bit because apparently there's some miscommunication.
Damn.
We at the wrong location. We are in Charlotte. We gotta get to Concord.
Damn.
And they gotta bring the car out to us when we get to Concord, and he won't be there till 4:30. It is currently 2:15.
Oh, damn.
But we're gonna go grab some drinks, see if we can find something to get into. We got 2.5 hours to kill, and we gotta drive a little bit further than where we are now. So let's see what we can get into.
Well, we have stopped at your good old friendly neighborhood Jack in the Box. Grabbing a little grub along the way. Just trying to kill a little bit of time, and we got a little bit hungry, so getting a little bit of grub. You let me know, what do you guys pick when you go to the Jack in the Box? Let me know in the comments. But anyway, while we're killing time, we're just gonna grab some grub. We will pick back up when we get out of here.
Alright guys, we're here. The driver was a little late getting back, so it's getting a little dark, but we here. Now's the moment, but I don't think we'll be able to get y'all a shot with the light we got left, but we're gonna get the car home, and we'll pick up in the morning and let y'all know what we got. This is my new to me 2016 Mini Cooper S John Cooper Works Edition. It already appears to be lowered, already has wheels on it. It is a 6-speed because it is the John Cooper Works. It is a 6-speed instead of the 5-speed. It's got the 2.0 liter twin power turbo motor. It also has, I believe it's called the excitement package, so it's got the LEDs already inside that you can change colors with just a little flick of a button. And main reason I got the car, I wanted the car, is I needed something that still fitted my daily lifestyle, but something that was also a driver's car. And this is a go-kart with room on the inside. So that was my main reason for the car. It's a nice car, but it's also a driver's car, so I can actually get out and rip around when I want to. We back at the YB Works headquarters now. It's getting a little cold out here, but I got the car because I wanted something I could drive and like actually, you know, have fun in. And also I was putting a lot of miles on Pearl. Just wanted something to have fun with and also still be able to do all my family things and hang out and go places and do all that stuff. But y'all guys come back, we will have some driving videos. We'll have some little mods happening here and there to start with, and then maybe jump to bigger ones later on. Like, share, subscribe. Make sure y'all come back, check us out.